Hey everyone and welcome to Saw Auto and Unboxing YouTube channel. Today I will unbox for you the Fila Disruptor Q Mid Women Winter Sneakers. Disruptor is Fila's most iconic footwear style of this century. In 2018 Disruptor was the sneaker of the year according to FN Footwear News. It is a very unique and recognizable chunky silhouette with a bulky outsole. This winter we raised the collar to give it a cozy boot look. I hope you will enjoy watching this unboxing video, and if you want to see more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I hope you will return for more unboxing videos. Have a great day. Bye.